I would like to go over the information needed to accurately provide you with a label quote. First, I need to know the size of the label. As the label dispenses from the roll, to determine the width, you measure from left to right. This label is 4 1/8 inches from left to right. The length of the label is determined by measuring from top to bottom. This label is 2 1/2 inches from top to bottom. Overall, this is a 4 1/8 inch by 2 1/2 inch label. Next, what material would you like? If you don't know, provide us with your application. We'll suggest which face stock and adhesive are going to work best for you. Third, are your labels printed or are they blank? If they're being printed, if you could provide us with the artwork, that would be preferred. We also need to know, is the print static, meaning all the information stays the same from one label to the next? Or is the information variable, meaning something changes from label to label to label? Next, how many labels would you like to order? You are able to order labels in combination. However, they have to be on the same material, they have to be the same die cut, but they can have different print. This is known as ordering multiple versions. It allows you to group run an order to get to a higher quantity and a better per each pricing per individual version. Fifth, how will you be applying the labels to the product? Will you be applying them by hand or using an automatic applicator? If using an automatic applicator, the unwind, which is how the labels dispense from the roll, is needed. We also need to know if the label is perforated or not perforated. When automatically applying, you do not want to perforate the labels because they will tear through the applicator and that's not going to work. You can also perforate the labels so that you can take the roll, remove the labels easily, take them to the product and apply them by hand. Next, is anything special about the label? This could be, does it have a special coating, such as a varnish or laminate? Is it a paint mask label? Is it a piggyback label? Or possibly it has a blowhole? Anything special, we need to know that. And finally, how do you want the labels finished? Labels can be finished fan-folded in a stack, so they feed into and out of a printer and finish in a stack. They can be finished sheeted, which they'll be individually cut, put into a stack, and shrink wrapped. Or finally, they can be finished on a roll. Typically, you'll have a 3-inch core with an 8-inch outside diameter. How will the labels be finished? With these simple 8 things, we can accurately provide you with label pricing.
For more information about getting the exact label for your needs, contact a product specialist at 1-800-446-1991 or visit us on the web at RACOindustries.com.